Okay, welcome to our video covering tutorials, which give you a better sense of how an entire app, very small apps, but nevertheless complete apps, can be written using the tools of Cogent Core.
Yep, so you'll see here we're going to start with the data structure for this to-do list app, which is an item struct, and this contains a done field that represents whether the task has been completed and a string field that represents the name of the task.
We then combine those into a slice of such items. So this is a slice of structs, and we use the table widget that you can see there as a way of representing that Go data structure. And again, picking up on the theme that we talked about last time, one of the powerful features of Cogent Core is that it automatically can represent these Go data structures like a slice of structs. And as you can see below it there, it shows you a nice tabular arrangement with columns according to the fields of the struct and then rows for each item in the slice.
Yep, and you can see here that you can edit these different task items, and you can also mark them as done or not, and you can sort by the name of the task alphabetically, and then you can also completely delete task items from the table.
Yeah, so the built-in table widget comes complete with a pretty full-featured set of menu items. It also supports drag and drop. You could maybe duplicate that item and save a little time in coding the second time, maybe. Code second. Code twice. And so you can also override those menus and use more app-specific menus, etc.
And so then you can see down here, this is mostly the same as the last example, except now we've added this add button up here that you can press to add a new to-do list item. And so you can see it's calling this table.newAt function. And so this says to add a new item to the table at the first row. And so when you press this button, it adds the new item. You can add this item, and then you can see it is added to the table.
Another feature that is going on in the background here is this struct tag. It says up there, display checkbox. If we didn't have that, the checkbox switch, the bool, would be represented as a kind of switch element, and for a to-do list, the checkbox is a more appropriate graphical representation. There's a lot of different tags we use using these Go struct tags to customize the way things are displayed. So especially in forms based on structs, there's a lot of different options you can do to customize the way the GUI works. It makes it very simple and powerful to code up and customize the GUI functionality.
Yep, and we have more information about those specific struct tags on the documentation pages for forms and other widgets that use them.
So in the next video, we're going to make a slightly larger app with more complexity. This just is a very, very simple case. Obviously, you could think of lots of ways of improving this app, this to-do list, and it really wouldn't take much to make it actually quite a useful application, building on all the built-in functionality that Cogent Core gives you.